Hey, this is NK5812. Now what I've unboxed supposed to have been, well, an NSX assembly kit from Maisto, but this is well, they gave me that Camaro. I mean, it was meant to have been like that. I mean, just special edition, not the design or the Pro Rods edition, but yeah, it's definitely not meant to have been like that. But the seller just gave me this Camaro. I mean, it's nice, not bad. Just there isn't any brake discs or like that pads or anything like that, but it's all right. Yeah, I mean the Pro Rods. I mean, I was gonna get like a Camaro Pro Rod one assembly, but this other seller, he had problems at his warehouse area. He said there was like something happened over there, so they refunded me back the money. So